Today I'm going to show you how to set up NordVPN on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Whether you want to protect your online privacy, access geo-restricted content, or browse safely on public networks, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price while following along. To start, use the link in the description to download NordVPN for Windows. Choose a plan, and then download the NordVPN installer for Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. The installation is simple and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Once it's installed, launch the app and log in with your NordVPN account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly in the app using your email, or log in with Google, Apple, or Microsoft. Before connecting to any VPN server, it's a good idea to check your current IP address and location. You can do this by visiting a website like whatismyip.com or simply Googling "What is my IP?" This will help you confirm later that your VPN connection is working correctly. Now, it's time to connect. NordVPN gives you two main options: the Quick Connect button, which automatically connects you to the fastest available server, or manually choosing a server from the map or server list. If you select a server in another country, your IP address will appear as if you are in that location. For example, connecting to a server in the UK will give you a UK IP, allowing you to access content restricted to that region. After connecting, check your IP again on the same website you used before. You should see a different IP and location, confirming that the VPN is active. You can also test access to region-restricted websites or services, like streaming platforms or online banking portals in another country. NordVPN's Windows app includes a lot of powerful features. First, there's CyberSec, which blocks ads, malware, and phishing websites. It's usually enabled by default, but you can check in settings to make sure it's active. Threat Protection adds an extra layer of security by scanning downloaded files for malware. Another useful feature is MeshNet, which lets you create a secure, encrypted network between your devices, even if they're on different networks. This is great for sharing files or gaming securely. If your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, the kill switch automatically blocks your internet connection to prevent your real IP from being exposed. Split tunneling allows you to select which apps use the VPN and which bypass it, giving you more flexibility for apps that require your local IP. NordVPN also offers dedicated IP addresses as an optional extra. This gives you a unique, static IP address that's only used by you, perfect for secure banking, work servers, or platforms that flag shared VPN IPs. The app also lets you select different VPN protocols. NordLynx is the fastest and most efficient protocol, optimized for low latency and gaming, but you can also choose OpenVPN, UDP, or TCP, or IKEv2 if you prefer. Lastly, NordVPN provides browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. These are lightweight and quick ways to protect your browser traffic. Keep in mind, though, that while the extension protects browser activity, the desktop app protects all your internet traffic. And that's it. Your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC is now fully protected with NordVPN. You can browse safely, access restricted content, and enjoy all the advanced features like dedicated IPs, threat protection, and split tunneling. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start securing your online activity today.